Hello everyone, it is nice that you picked this video to watch and to learn with me. Have great moves that you did. Today, you are about to learn 10 terminologies that is related to ICT, or we know as Information Communication Technology. Especially if you are currently a student, this video, so keep on watching. In 21st century, it is important that we have a knowledge about the things that surrounds us, especially if it is about technology. And as a student, it may be related to us or somehow heard some of these words that we are not familiar with. So as you keep on watching, you may understand and recognize terms that is very useful in the world of ICT. So now, let's know more about the ICT first. ICT is a leverage for economic, societal, and interpersonal transactions and interactions. One of the main aims of ICT is to help students to become confident and confident users who can use the basic knowledge and skills acquired to assist them in their daily lives. It also supposed to prepare students for the world of tomorrow. It aims to help learners to have an open and flexible mind. This will help them to adjust to the inevitable future changes. One example is the integrations of ICT across the curriculum. Moving on to the 10 terminologies. Are you ready, learners? If you are, then show it by simply liking this video. Number 1. 21st century skills. It says that it is skills needed to live in a digitized 21st century. Example: information technology and media skills, learning and innovation skills such as collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. 21st century learning is the development of a highly valuable skill set for the future knowledge. Life skills, career skills, habits, and traits that are critically important to every student's success in today's world. 21st century skills are plugged as critical for the digital and evolving economy. Instead of a specific subject knowledge, 21st century skills are ways of thinking, ways of living, ways of working. Number 2. Adaptive learning system. It is personalized learning by using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to adapt the learning path offered to an individual student in real time. Also, programs that adapt change the content and the process of learning offered to learners on the basis of their response to questions and tasks. Adaptive learning system, it refers to a type of learning where students are given customized resources and activities to address their unique learning needs. For example, if a student is struggling with adding fractions, a teacher might offer one-on-one tutoring or additional practice problems about adding fractions. Number 3. Android. It is an open source operating system developed by Google and used by a range of devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android devices usually come with a range of built-in programs called application or apps such as web browser, email client, calendar, and maps. We now live in a world that is similar and more connected than ever before just because of mobile phones, right? Having the convenience of a mobile device gives students an edge. Its benefits to students like you are improve knowledge, assist during emergencies, learning out of the class, good time management, helpful in academic studies, entertainment, and helpful in locating, and a lot of more. Comment down below if I have mentioned the benefits that you have gained because of the Androids. Number 4. Collaborative learning. It says that it is an umbrella term for a variety of educational approaches involving joint intellectual effort by students, or students and teachers together. Usually, students are working in a group of 2 or more, mutually searching for understanding, solutions, or meaning, or even a creating product. Another easy way to have collaborative learning inside your comfort zone or anywhere you like, just to make sure that you have a good quality of connection. In other words, it is simply the practice of learners working together to complete a task or solve a problems. Example tools of collaboration learnings are Google Documents, Notion, Trello, Google Meet, and Zoom. How great that we have these collaborative learning tools that are convenient for us to use. Number 5. E-learning. Another term for digital education. E-learning has completely transformed the way in which learning is imparted to students, unlike a traditional chalk and board method of teaching. E-learning makes learning simpler, easier, and more effective. E-learning is to increase accessibility of education and reducing the cost and time, as well as improving students' academic. Benefits to students are: online learning accommodates everyone's needs. 2. Quick delivery of lessons. 3. Lectures can be taken any number of times. Also, online learning helps students to create and communicate new ideas. You get the chance to uplift your skills and gain knowledge apart from school education, and it develops advanced skills. Number 6. Website. A set of pages on the World Wide Web published by a single person or organization about a particular subject or closely related topics. General websites for students are on your screens. Check them out. Educational websites important to students. They keep the students updated, notified, and provides information regarding so many educational important things and help them to enhance their studies. Number 7. Online discussion forums. Online websites that allows users to engage with one another, usually from remote location. An online hub called forum where users post messages to hold a discussion around a given topic. In educational context, online discussion forums are typically housed within a learning management system. Also can be used for so many purposes, such as helping students to review material prior to an assignment or exam, engaging students in discussion, and many more. Number 8. Blogging. A personal journal or record of events captured on a website. A student can utilize blog to write formally or informally, and blogs are versatile enough to feature many media types, such as photos, URLs, videos, and more. Student can utilize blog to write formally and informally, as I have said, and teachers who aim to help their students learn to communicate and to take a true interest in their own educations may find blogs to be extremely effective tools. Second is that blogging helps students to work on their online presence and become reflective in their own learning as well. Blogging is a great way to encourage students to express their ideas, be creative, develop confidence in writing, to communicate, and collaborate with peers and teachers. Number 9 is smartphones. Similar to a desktop or laptop computer, a smartphone has an operating system on it, like a Windows or Mac OS. The 4 most common are iOS, which was created by Apple, Android, created by Google, BlackBerry, created by Research in Motion, and Windows Phone, created by Microsoft. This smartphone is like an Android and it has a touchscreen feature phone. Smartphones help students in managing their time. They can set alarms and reminders and many more. Smartphones are also beneficial for students because it helps them in a various learning applications. And last but not the least term that you may heard as of today is none other than the number 10. Internet, a global network of computers that connects them to one another. And look how it is beneficial to students and other people. But a few moments to remind you that without the internet, we cannot use the said things that is included in the 10 terminologies that I have mentioned earlier. Because the internet has helped us a lot to open up and have an access to many things. Internet is also the key for the change and development of our knowledge in ICT. Without the internet, we can easily keep up with other activities like other peoples can do, especially if it involves the development of each other's knowledge. But always remember, internet misuse will damage our secular progress. Those are the 10 terminologies that I have prepared to all of you for today. Learn something about this video? If yes is your answer, then share us something that you have taken down to your notes. Simply comment down below what are those new learning that you gain out of this video. And with that, thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day ahead.